Hello, Asmodeus here, and welcome to episode 13 of my Age of Engineering series. Today, hopefully, it will be the lucky episode, and we will finally be able to finish crafting our cloche and start getting some seed oil and being able to progress through the ages. Between episodes, didn't do a lot, did a little bit of preparatory work, ran power around the base this way, created a small little water source here in anticipation of probably going to set up a pump here to pump water in to feed the cloche water. We're going to need that. So just kind of set that up between episodes in preliminary and a preliminary effort to try and get things moving along as quickly as we can. So that area equates to right here. I also went ahead and just ran power over to this next section here where our cloches will be. Have the auto crafter that we crafted last episode set up here so we can feed it into the next machine, which will go here, which will be the squeezer. So let's review. For the cloche, we need the farmer, and we went through, we built the advanced greenhouse and empowered canola, just crystallized canola surrounded by regular canola in the empowerer. Pretty simple. Created the iron casings. Done several of those on camera already. Inori crystals, which is blocks of iron. So with that, that should give us the farmer. And then with that, all we need, treated wood planks we have, glass we have, lanterns, just iron plates and glass panes surrounding glowstone. I have one of those prepared already. Oh, we need a glass. Glass. So a couple of glass, and that gives us our first garden cloche. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up over here. I think for now, to make it easy to run cabling, we'll just set that right there. The way these things work, you input water here. The only place that you can pipe out is through this glass. So items will come out here. We'll direct them to the crafter here. We're going to need a piece of dirt and some pumpkin seeds. Okay, pumpkin seeds should be here. If not, we can just do that. Let's go grab ourselves a piece of dirt. Come out here next to the mine where these things are stored. Grab our piece of dirt. Eventually I'll have everything consolidated and I won't have to do nearly as much running and back and forth. I'm really kind of looking forward to getting the AE system set up and tying all this together with auto crafters and things like that, so we only have one point of contact. That'll be nice. Okay, so set the dirt there, pumpkin seeds there. Need to pipe in water, and we need power. C see, do I have any wire connectors? I do. Do I have any cable? Yes, I do. Okay. Let's go see about getting this set up. Oh, almost forgot to. One of the things that took the most time. Between episodes, I did add a ceiling. And doing so, I had to put lighting in here. And basically, the only purpose for that was just so I had something that was a little more attractive, you know, a little less derpy than just a floating piece of dirt to have our wire relay hooked on. So just to do that, I ended up putting the ceiling over this entire area. So it took a little bit of time, you know, pretty boring, but makes stringing these cables a little bit easier. Okay, set that there. Run power. Okay, power's here. This is something different. So we have our power. Oh, I don't want to do that. Do not want to take out a big chunk of the floor, so we'll just break it by hand. Okay. So, now for our water. We have a few different things that we can do for water. I did create the water source out there because I have kind of a direction I think I'm going to have to head. But there are Ender IO reservoirs. They're kind of handy because you can place them anywhere, but they require fused quartz, which is going to require the alloy furnace, so we can't get that direction anyway. So other options, what I was looking at is various pumps. We have the IC2 pump. Could probably do that, but then I would have to run cabling all over from the other side of the base over to this side, and I kind of want to keep RF power gen and the IC2 power. I want to kind of keep them on separate sides of the base, just kind of make it easier to run cabling. So other pump options, we have the immersive engineering pump, which really isn't that difficult. We just need fluid pipes, iron plates, and an iron mechanical component. Fluid pipes, they're simple. Iron plates across this way gives us 6, or gives us 8, I'm sorry. So that's probably the route I want to go. Alright. Okay, I have a bunch of iron plates here. And iron mechanical or component. Just iron around copper. That's easy enough. Grab a few pieces of iron, piece of copper. Okay, so there's that. Okay, bring our pump. We need fluid pipes, and if I recall, it was something similar to that. Okay, there's our fluid pump. Now with this, I'm going to need another connector. Let's see if I happen to have one more. Okay, does not appear so. So I only have one more Restonia crystal, so let's go grab. Let's just grab, you know, just a bunch of them. Alright. Getting lost in my own base here. Wow. wrong thing. That one. Give it a little zap. Okay, do we have any clay? We do. Okay. And 2 of those. Put the rest away. And we need 3 copper. I have 1. So just grab 2 more. Put these on the bottom. Clay above that. Copper down the center. There we go. Okay, bronze plate. I have a hunch. Yep, I'm out of cable. Alright, so let's run back over to this side. Grab 4 of these. Run them through the metal former. In the meantime, for our squeezer, we're going to need another heavy casing. Bronze plate in the middle. Bronze plate. 2 bronze casings and our bronze gear. Let that start crafting up. Come run back over to this side. Okay, one more. It'll be nice when I can get the immersive engineering metal press, because then I can do plates, I can do gears, I can do a lot of different items and have it all run off RF power, so that'll be nice. Okay, what do I have in my inventory? I need shears. It's funny when you're trying to scan quickly how you just kind of gloss over things. Okay. Shears. I know I saw sticks. Here we go. Need a stick. Put those together. There we go. And engineering hammer. Where is the engineering hammer? In my current inventory? I'm not sure. I know I have one. Where did I put it? I'm just not seeing it. Oh, it is in my inventory. Okay, see? Derp. Alright. Wow. Recording blindness, or whatever they call that. Focusing so hard on trying to see something and it's right there in front of you. Alright, so we're going to put that there. Hook up our power. Let's go ahead and break this. We need to change this to an output. That's what we need the engineering hammer for. Orange is out. We have a few of our fluid pipes left. We'll run them in like that. Ugh, I forgot. Will it let me do this? No, it won't. Okay, yeah, I forgot. This requires a redstone signal. So let's go grab ourselves a lever. Probably going to need just a few more of these pipes to run it all the way over to the cloche, but that's okay. I have the materials. There we go. So let's grab ourselves another stick. In here. Okay. Stick, cobblestone. There's our lever. While we're here, I have 6 more plates. Let's finish running our fluid pipes. Get this all connected. hook up our lever, switch it on. We'll just put this here, give that a nice switch. Okay, it appears to be running. Power is going up and down. So let's go check our cloche. Run back inside. And I see pumpkins growing. This thing can be so OP, it's crazy. I mean, just watch. I mean, it grows and harvests so quickly. And that is so fast. Very cool. Alright. So next, we need a squeezer. We just made our sturdy casing. We need some glass and some tin. Easy, easy. Okay. 610. Grab a couple more glass. Grab our iron casing. Empty hand. There we go. And that should be our squeezer. Let's set that up next to our carpenter. And hook power up to that bad boy. And it's filling up. Okay. So now we just need to pipe from here to here to get our pumpkins inside, and then pump from here to here to pump our seeds into the squeezer. So let's, right now, we can't really, I mean, we can't do conduits or anything like that yet. So what are our piping options? Okay, mechanical pipes for fluids, for mechanism. Some odd piping from calculator, I'm not sure what that is. Mining pipe from IC2. More fluid pipe. So, energy and liquid pipe from advanced rocketry. So, looks like we're back to transfer pipes. Okay? So, that would mean transfer nodes. We're going to need a couple filters, I'm sure. Or at least one. Let's see. Transfer nodes. I may be using all of them. Let's see, what else? Yeah, it looks like I'm using them. Do I have any spare pipe? Okay, I swore I should have had some extra transfer pipe. Alright, well, what do we need for that? Oh, that's why. That's because it only makes one. That's right. I forgot. Okay. More hopper ducts. Aluminum. Fortunately, we're doing pretty good on resources. I mean, we have 314 aluminum, so we're good there. We'll make a few of these. One set of 4, another set of 4. Going to need some redstone so I can make slabs. Alright. Let's go over here and hit our induction furnace. We can get that pretty quick. Let's just do half a stack. Okay, that was easy enough. Run back over here, make our slabs. Let's grab our glass. Let's do 6 of those. Go like that. What else? Okay, it was glass in the middle. Okay. Oh, miscalculated. Okay, that's fine. So we have 4 pipe. We're going to need 2 transfer nodes. So 2 hoppers, 4 redstone. Okay, that means we're going to need another 10 aluminum. And 4 redstone. I need some more wood. Just plain wood. I don't have any wood. Seriously. No wood whatsoever. I mean, I know doing the floor and the ceiling and everything kind of depleted my resources, but really? Okay. Yeah, we'll just knock a couple of these trees down. How about you volunteer? And you volunteer. Okay, just enough to replant. Very good. There, and there. Okay, let's go take care of this real quick. I need a couple chests. Okay, there's our 2 hoppers. That should give us our 2 transfer nodes. Okay. We want to pipe there into there. Alright, that doesn't work. Let's put the transfer node first. Then the pipe. There we go. I'm going to filter this because we want to we don't want it to pull pumpkins. We want it to pull seeds. I'm not sure it will pull pumpkins, but we'll filter it. Just we have the filters. No problem. And like a derp, I have seeds in my inventory. Imagine that. Did I forget how to use these? Probably. Well, let's not worry about it then. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, it did pull pumpkins. Okay. That's what I was afraid of. Alright, well, let's stick this on here. Our one transfer pipe, we're gonna need a lot of pipe to get over here. That's gonna be a little bit expensive, but you know, it's entirely doable. All right. Filter. Item filter. 4 redstone, 4 sticks, and a string. That. 4 of those. 4 of those. And we'll create our item filter. And then we will put this. We want to whitelist. Create our seeds. We want to whitelist pumpkin seeds. Place that in there. So now it should no longer pull pumpkins out of there, it'll just pull the seeds. Let's test that real quick. Grab half of my pumpkins. Just throw them in there real quick. Okay. And we are getting our seed oil. Fantastic. How we doing here? Yeah, we're starting to back up on pumpkins, so we better get this thing going here. Alright, how many pipe do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to need quite a bit more aluminum. Okay. Okay, gives us that. Give us a few more slabs. 5 of those. That. So that'll give us 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And why are you not transferring? I wonder, let's test this. Let's remove that, and remove that. I'm wondering if we need to stick some sort of a chest there. So, just stick a crate right there. We'll let it sit on a nice pretty piece of stone. Set the stone, set the crate. Okay, it automatically pipes out. Now on the crate, let's put our transfer node on that and then pipe it. Okay. We are automating seed oil. How exciting! Alright, and then we need to get the seed oil from the squeezer to the carpenter. So, what are our options for fluid transfer? saw conduits come up real quick. Here we go. What do we need just for basic conduit? Fused glass. Okay, so we're not going to be able to do that anyway. Alright, well, it was worth a shot. We have one transfer pipe left, so we could always do the old fluid transfer node, which is basically the same as a regular, except for we need a bucket rather than a chest. Okay. Happen to have a bucket right there. Need a couple redstone, that's right. I used up all my stone, didn't I? Oh, what a fool, what a fool, what a fool. Okay, let's go cook some more up. Okay. Run back to the other side. And there we are. Now we need some more transfer pipes. Should only be 2. So we have the glass. There's 1 and there's 2. Okay, that should be enough to go ahead and do this. To you, to you. And there we go. Almost a bucket of seed oil. Now, the whole point of this was so we could get a carpenter with seed oil in it, because I want to make a machine chassis, because I want to get into some Ender IO machines, and for a machine chassis we need these items in a carpenter with seed oil. So we have the infrastructure set up to do this now. So now we just need another sturdy casing, easy. Iron bars, that's really easy. Another iron casing, we've done several of those. And a basic capacitor. Okay. This is where it might start getting a little sticky. Empowered Restonias, I mean we can do those, that's not too bad. Enriched gold. Copper electron tubes. Let's see, we need redstone ingots. Scientific calculator, it's just iron divided by redstone, or an algorithm separator. We can just stick redstone in there. I believe we got the algorithm separator set up. Take the tanzanite out. We are getting very, very close to the next stage. Let's just stick 8 of these in there. Just throw those in there. They're cooking away. Okay, what is that recipe again? Machine chassis. Okay. So for copper electron tubes, we need thickened glass and clear glass from Environmental Tech. Okay. Thickened glass is sandy glass, which is just sand and regular glass. Okay, we can do that. A little time consuming, but it's completely doable. Let's run out here and grab some sand. I have a hunch we're going to need a lot of this stuff, so let's just grab a stack of sand. Actually, we need 2 stacks. I want to turn 1 stack into glass. So we'll run over here to our handy dandy induction furnace. Get our glass. Okay. And then we needed clear glass from Environmental Tech, I believe. Tinkers, Environmental Tech, okay. Which is enriched sand, which is nether quartz and sand, okay. Okay, you're finished up. Let's combine these real quick. Let that cook up. And then let's grab another stack of sand. Hopefully I have enough sand. Ooh. Well, let's just do 8 for now. And then 8 quartz. It's enriched sand. Okay, all of our thickened glass is ready. Clear glass is ready. Okay, we need 5 copper. Redstone ingots. Alright, so we need this guy here. So the copper goes like that. The redstone ingots go like that. I believe thickened glass goes there. And then the clear glass goes there. I'm only going to put 1 clear glass in there for now. There we go. I have that thing turned off like that because this machine will just sit and draw power to try and keep the glass over here molten, and it's not really a waste of time or the power. It's not worth the power to keep it like that. Eventually, if I shut this off again, this will just disappear. That's why I didn't want to throw too much of that glass in there. So, okay, we have our copper tubes. Then we need our empowered restonias. Have our regular restonias. Alright. I thought I could have sworn I made. Did I use all of the empowered ones that I made? Can't be. Take that and that and that. Wow. I must have. Alright, so let's make a block of redstone. Okay. And then we need to empower it, I believe we need 1 ardite. We need one of those guys there. We need a red garnet. And we need some rose red, I believe. That one I may not have. I might have to. We may have to go to the overworld real quick and grab some. In fact, portal's right here. Let's just run through it real quick. the other side. It's close and handy. It is night, so I want to make this as quick as I can. Sleep before it spawns. Okay. I cannot believe there are no poppies or anything here close. Nothing, nowhere. We need, oh, there we go. Other side. Other side will be good. Oops. Fell in the hole. Is there any easy way up? Okay, we're up top. Couple of them. I think there's more on the other side, but good enough. Okay, let's get our empowered crystals here. You go there. One of those. One of these. One of these. And finally one of these. It shouldn't take too long. There should be enough in these buffers to do the block. I know we're getting a little long on time here, but I would like to finish this up before we call the episode. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. You're going to take out pretty much the entire buffer, is that the deal? Or, I did the block, huh? Yeah, that might take a little longer. Alright. Plenty of seed oil now. We're doing good there. Our machine chassis. Iron casing, let's go ahead. Basic machine, steel plates. All these things here. Do I have anything pre-made? Okay, I got the carbon plates already made. That's good. Gonna need 4 steel plates. Gonna need at least 8 iron plates. 3 more of those. 3 bronze. And 3 tin. Oh, so close, but yet so far. Okay, that's still crafting. Let's give myself a little bit of space here. Don't need the transfer filters. And get the thickened glass out of my inventory. What else? Water fluid pipes, don't need. Don't really only need the treated wood. Stone bricks don't need. Right now I don't need stone. Don't need the clear glass. Don't need the regular glass. Alright. Well, we're getting some space here. Might as well get that sapling out. Okay. Go throw these seeds in this squeezer. There we go. Yeah, so we're going to backlog of seeds. This thing is so fast. This autocrafter can barely keep up. That's good. Okay, I'm sure those are finished up. Got our steel plates. Let's go ahead and get the iron going. Well, rather than waiting for this and everything, I think this is a good time. We'll go ahead and call it the end of the episode. Next episode, we'll finish making our iron casing. We'll get a sturdy casing made. We'll make our basic capacitor. And then hopefully we will step into age 5. Alright, well that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please hit the like button if you did enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And until next time, have a wonderful day.